G'day guys, how are we going? Well, what a cracking spot it is out here for a cuppa. So I'm going to show you how to make a billy tea right here on the campfire. We'll get this water up to the boil, then I'll show you the next stage. Oh, that old billy, she's starting to sing now, starting to boil up in there. But look, making billy tea and on the campfire this way, it's sort of nothing new, you know. Old bushies have been making billy tea this way for donkey's years, for ages, and it's such an old school of making a good cup of tea. If you like your cups of tea in the morning while you're out camping, well, this is a cracking way to do it. So we'll just get this boiled up. It's almost there, and then we'll go on to the next stage. But this is just a great way of making a morning cuppa. Check this water. Oh yeah, it's boiling beautiful. So what we're going to do here now, I'm going to put some my tea in it, and then we'll come out the back here and we're going to swing it round and round. Now, if you're doing this just for the first time, want to try this sort of old school way of making a cup of tea, billy tea on the fire here, maybe try it a few times at home with some cold water in it before you go putting some hot water in it, because you don't want to go burning yourself and getting scalded, so if you get it all wrong. So this is what we're going to do here. But I've just got probably about that much water in the bottom of it. And the more water you put in it, well, it's just going to make your tea a bit weaker. So you've got to try and get the water quantity a bit right. And if you really want to measure it out, we'll just grab your cup and fill your cup up with cold water, and then maybe another half a cup, to allow for evaporation, and just sort of allow that for each person you're making your billy for, making a cuppa for. So I'm just going to take this off, get rid of that log, put that off there, take that off. And then I also allow one hoopful, so it's just a pinch, it's a bit like sort of that much, just in your hand there. One for the person, one for the belly, and one for good measure. Righto. Now, as you can see there, the tea leaves are still sitting on the top. So what we're going to do here, I'm now going to take this out the back here, going to swing it around, and what that does, it settles the tea leaves down to the bottom. So when you go and pour your tea out, you don't fill your cup up with all the tea leaves. So this is the go. So as I say, if you're doing this for the first time, maybe practice a few times at home with some cold water. So just give it, if you need a bit of a swing up, maybe get a bit of a swing going first just to get your rhythm right. Otherwise it's just come in and bang. And as long as you keep it spinning around, the water's not going to come out. And there we go. And it's as simple as that. And then when you come back, all your tea leaves now are settled down the bottom and ready to pour out. But I'm going to leave that sit for a little bit longer, because I like a pretty strong cuppa. So I'm going to let that sit for a couple of minutes. Righto, time to pour my cuppa out. Here we go. Oh, look at the colour of that. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. And that is how you make billy tea the old school way, straight on the campfire. It's an absolutely cracking way. So enjoy this morning cuppa. Oh, that is fantastic. There you go, guys. Have a crack at making billy tea on the campfire. Swing it around, but maybe, as I say, if you're doing it for the first time, maybe have a couple of practice goes at home with some cold water, because it's all hot, everything's hot, and you don't want to go scalding yourself and burn yourself. But anyway, guys, I'm going to sit back here, just enjoy this beautiful bush around here, and have my morning cuppa. Thanks so much for watching, and fair chance I'll catch you somewhere out here in the bush someday. See you later on.